Naku po, mga minamahal, sa aking palagay, mukhang magugunaw dito ang mundo ni Senator Robin Hood Padilla dito nga po sa pinupush ni Tito Soto. Alright, sige, basahin natin tong balitang to. Uy, wala sana nga absent sa pagkakataong ito, no? Sabi dyan, Soto urge Senate to bring back random drug test for employees. So, alam nyo naman, no, na naging controversial itong Senado, dito nga po, especially sa opisina ni Senator Robin Hood Padilla. Dahil nga po dito sa eksenang hanash na nagchochongki daw ang kanyang staff, 'di ba, sa loob ng Senado. Pero itinanggi naman ito ng kanyang staff, 'di ba? Sabi niya, hindi, vape lang 'yon. Air freshener. Wow ha! Meron bang air freshener na talagang sobrang tapang, talagang may urge yung amoy? Alright, sabi ni Tito Soto, it may be high time for the Senate to revive the random drug test among its employees in light of the alleged marijuana use incident inside its premise. Yan yung sabi ni Senate Minority Leader Vicente Tito Soto nung Friday. Actually, maganda yung layunin nito, mga minamahal. Lalo pat syempre, na grabe, sunod-sunod yung kontrobersiya ng Senado. Nung nakaraan, glutadrip sa loob ng Senado habang nagsesesyon. Tapos ngayon, chongke. Ano pa bang mga kontrobersiya ang darating? Diba, wag naman umabot sana na pati yung ibang mga senador, abay, gumagaya na din. Alright, sabi pa dito sa balita, the call is for the Senate leadership, bring back my previous order for random drug testing. When he was Senate President, Soto said the Senate Office of the Surgeon at Arms, or OSA, would undertake an optional drug test for senators and random test for employees. Ngayon, wag sanang umabsent si Montenegro at itong si Robin, itong mag-amo, kung sakaling magkaroon ng random drug testing para malaman natin kung talagang malinis ang pagkatao at budhi, 'di ba, ng mag-among 'yan. So, when I was no longer there, they removed it. Actually, yung random drug testing na yan, panukala yan dati ni Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto. Dati niya pang ginagawa yan. Pero nung natanggal na siya sa pwesto, nawala na din yun. Angas, no? Now that he is back in the Senate, he was shocked to hear reports that there was an alleged incident of MJ use right inside the building. So, sino ba yung pumutak dyan? Walang iba, mga minamahal, kundi itong staff din, 'di ba, ni Senator Ping Lacson. Anyway, you did a great job dito nga po sa staff ni Ping Lacson. Tama lang naman yan, kasi ito yung unang tanong dyan na amoy. Paano mo nalaman na amoy, MJ? Gumagamit ka din ba ng MJ? Siyempre, okay. Pag nilay-nilayan natin itong ipinupukol ng mga DDS, hindi naman kasi ibig sabihin, mga minamahal, na nakaamoy ka ng MJ, it means gumagamit ka. Maybe talaga mapapansin mo na kakaibang smell na nalalanghap mo, sobrang tapang, and magtataka ka na, hindi naman to smell ng perfume, hindi naman to smell ng vape. So, pag-iisipan mo na, maybe, na amoy ito ng kakaiba. So, nireport. Nung nireport, di ba? Parang ibang amoy ito May nag-insist na MJ. So, maybe, yun tinutukoy nila. So, anyway, ang sagot lang dyan is random drug testing sa mga staff ng mga senador and also for the senators as well. Di ba? So, that's embarrassing. That's really embarrassing. Kasi nagbisaya tuloy si Mimoy. Kasi lahat na lang na kalokohan, meron at meron ang Senado. Nakakalungkot mang isipin, pero wala, yung talaga. That's supposed to be one of my core advocacies, and yet, there are reports like that. It's truly embarrassing, especially to our fellow Filipinos. Victor Patelio, a security personnel manning his post on the 5th floor of the Senate building, reported to OSA two separate incidents involving unusual scent odor allegedly emanating from the ladies' comfort room near the senator's extension's office. Anyway, sometimes in July this year, Patelio said he got a phone call from a male staff member reporting a strong odor in their area. So, they proceed to their office, where most of the staff confirmed that unusual scent. I then expected the surrounding areas but did not observe anyone smoking. So, masangsang yung amoy. Wala naman nagsisigarilyo, oy. Diba? So, it's not a vape. And it's not air freshener. Kasi kung air freshener yan, dapat mabango. Kasi air freshener eh. Meron bang air freshener na masangsang yung odor? So, just last July, Patelio said he was approached by a male employee who introduced himself as a staff member of Senator Panfilo Lacson and reported noticing unusual odor coming from the ladies' comfort. Ibig sabihin, matagal na palang ginagawa ng babae, kung totoo man. And dahil sa napapasigida ng kaka-MJ, diba, nangamoy na. He claimed the odor resembled of the MJ and stated that the only person in the area at that time was allegedly Miss Nadia Montenegro. Actually, there was an incident and report last week about staff member ng isang senador na ganun din, pero nakalusot. So, sino din kaya yun? He said the employee also asked him to discreetly approach Miss Montenegro, which he said he did when she walked past his post. So, Miss Montenegro denied smoking inside the ladies' comfort room using MJ for that matter, but acknowledged processing a vape in her bag, which she said could have produced the unusual scent. Reported earlier by Senator Lacson. Nagbe-vape, ang angas. Senator Robin Padilla, Chief of Staff, Attorney Rodolfo Philip Horado confirmed that the former actress Nadia Montenegro is working in their office and that she was already asked to explain in the writing after her name was mentioned in the incident report. So anyway, the point of view here in this vlog video, na tama na i-push through mga minamahal yan, tinatawag na tawag dito, random drug testing. For we as able to know, diba, kung sino yung gumagamit sa hindi. Kung sino ang malinis sa hindi. So, good job and good luck, Tito Sen. We are hoping for the best outcome sa ipapatupad mo. Anyway, ano yung masasabi ninyo? Absent kaya si Robin Padilla at itong kanyang staff? Well, let's see in the random drug testing day. Alright, that's me again, Alicia nyo, mga minamahal. Nagbabalik muli para sa ating panibagong video. Yun lamang po. Ingat, mga kababayan.